Friends, the moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. Today, March 15th, 2026, the Pi network community is buzzing. The second major migration has officially started. This isn't just a minor update, it's a seismic shift pioneers worldwide have anticipated for years. The long wait is over. A new dynamic phase has begun. All over the world, pioneers are seeing their wallets update and their balances change in real time. The second wave of Pi is moving from the test environment to the live mainnet. This migration bridges our daily mining efforts with the reality of a decentralized digital economy. For the first time, it unlocks not just your mined Pi, but also the referral rewards you've earned by building the community. The news is spreading like wildfire. Screenshots, celebrations, and confirmations are everywhere. Over 16 million KYC verified pioneers are part of this collective victory. The scale is enormous, and it's happening right now. This is the moment that validates our patience and belief in Pi. The wheels are in motion, and the second great wave of Pi migration is bringing new opportunity and excitement. Get ready, this is just the beginning. So, what exactly is this second migration? Let's break it down. Imagine you've been collecting tokens in a game, but they were locked away. Now, they're finally being moved to your main wallet for real use. The first migration moved some of your mined Pi to mainnet. This second migration transfers another batch, plus something new. For the first time, referral bonuses you earned from your team are being unlocked and moved to your mainnet wallet. It's like finally getting the bonuses you saw accumulating, now deposited directly into your account. For those who invited many active members, this could mean a significant increase in your liquid Pi. The process is automatic for eligible pioneers. No forms, no hassle. Just make sure you've completed your mainnet checklist and passed KYC. This migration is your reward for patience and commitment, bringing more of your hard-earned Pi into the usable ecosystem. The future value you waited for is now becoming reality. Let's dive into the biggest news. Referral bonuses are finally being unlocked. Since the beginning, inviting others to Pi meant earning bonuses, but those rewards were locked until now. The second migration is the mechanism that finally delivers on this promise. As your referral team members pass KYC, the bonus Pi you earned from them becomes eligible for migration. For those who built large teams, this could mean thousands of Pi coins unlocked at once. This validates every pioneer who helped grow the network. The system is smart and secure. You only receive bonuses from real KYC-verified individuals. This prevents fake accounts and ensures the Pi entering mainnet is clean and earned by genuine contributors. It's a fair, robust system that rewards real community building. Now, the rewards are finally being paid out. This is a game changer for the Pi ecosystem. Your efforts to build the community are now directly reflected in your wallet. The wait for referral bonuses is over. In Pi, every user is a pioneer, whether you joined yesterday or in 2019. This project was built to be inclusive, letting anyone with a smartphone participate. The second migration directly impacts every pioneer who's completed their mainnet checklist and KYC. If you've ever invited anyone to Pi, this migration is especially for you. Referral bonuses now being unlocked are a real reward for your role in growing the network. Take Priya, who invited 20 friends. Now, as her friends complete KYC, her bonus Pi is transferred to her mainnet wallet, multiplying her usable balance. This story is repeating for countless pioneers right now. It's not just a technical update. It's a personal victory and validation of your trust and effort. Even if you haven't received your second migration yet, this proves the system works and your turn is coming. Every unlocked wallet strengthens the ecosystem for everyone. The value of Pi grows with every pioneer's success. This is why it matters to you. The scale of this migration is massive. Millions of pioneers are becoming eligible, unlocking potentially billions of Pi coins. This is one of the most significant liquidity events in Pi's history. More liquid Pi means more spending power in the Pi browser and more activity in apps and marketplaces. This stimulates the internal economy and encourages developers and vendors to join. While Pi is still in the enclosed network phase, market activity is already surging. The most important impact is on network maturity. This mass unlocking proves the infrastructure can handle large-scale operations. It builds confidence among users, developers, and partners. Pi is now a functioning blockchain with a massive verified user base. This event moves Pi closer to the open network phase and greater legitimacy. The project is stepping up to a new level. This migration is the result of continuous technical upgrades by the Pi core team. Recent protocol upgrades, like version 19.9 and the upcoming 20.2, have strengthened the network's speed, security, and capacity. Mass unblocking for KYC and migration has cleared the way for millions more users to participate. New features, like palm print authentication, are making KYC more secure and user-friendly. The system for rewarding KYC validators is being finalized, ensuring those who help verify others are recognized. All these upgrades work together to make the second migration possible. The protocols provide power, mass KYC unblocking brings eligible users, and new security features protect the process. This isn't just flipping a switch, it's building a robust, scalable foundation for a global digital currency. The technology is what turns Pi's promise into reality. These upgrades are proof of the core team's vision and planning. With all this news, what should you do? Stay calm, patient, and informed. The migration is rolling out in waves. It won't happen for everyone at once. Regularly check your Pi app and wallet for updates or balance changes. Make sure your mainnet checklist is complete, wallet created, confirmed, lockup set, and KYC passed. If you're waiting for KYC approval, be patient. The backlog is being cleared. Once your checklist is done, just wait and watch your wallet for the migration deposit. Don't panic if others get theirs before you. The rollout is systematic. Keep tapping the mining button daily to stay active. Beware of scams. Never share your wallet passphrase or pay anyone for migration. The Pi core team will never ask for your passphrase or payment. Your migration will happen automatically and for free. Stay alert, trust only official sources, and protect your assets. This second migration is a powerful statement about Pi's future. It marks the shift from accumulation to real utility for millions of users. Pi's vision is to build the world's most inclusive peer-to-peer marketplace, powered by accessible digital currency. With 16 million KYC-verified users, Pi is already one of the largest identity-verified blockchains. This migration injects the liquidity needed to bring the ecosystem to life. The possibilities are expanding. Pi nodes could power AI computing and more. The core team's ambitions go far beyond payments. They're building a platform for decentralized apps. As more pioneers get unlocked Pi, expect an explosion of creativity in the Pi browser. This brings us closer to the open network phase, where Pi connects to the global crypto economy. The future is bright, and the next stage is within reach. We're at the dawn of a new chapter for Pi Network. The second migration, with referral bonuses, fulfills a core promise to the community. This event transforms MindPi into a tangible asset for millions, empowering a new digital economy. Now is the time to re-engage. Check your wallet, complete your checklist, and help your team finish KYC. The unlocking of referral bonuses incentivizes everyone to help each other. This is the spirit of Pi, collective effort, shared success. The migration is a catalyst for explosive growth in utility and innovation. We're moving from potential to reality. Millions now have the tools to build a new economy. Stay excited, stay active, and embrace the opportunities ahead. The wait was worth it. The new era for Pi Network has begun.